What's up, everybody? Here on the Sol USD chart, looking at the 4 hour right now. I've had this broadening wedge that I've been looking at, and this is basically it's a downtrend. And I just wanted to point out to everybody, so all-time high, right? Dumped real hard from there, but the first rally we'd have since the dump was at $50. Okay, so we dumped real hard, rallied again back to 44. Okay, dumped again, and now we rallied at 37. So something to just keep in mind as a trader. We practice risk management for the most part, and then preserve capital. So every one of these times that if you're just holding a bag, every time we rally, it's actually rallying lower. So basically, you're losing value of your bag. Unless you're awesome and just buying all these dips right here, then you're probably doing pretty good. So anyway, that's not me though, because I mean I have my bag I don't touch, but at the same time I trade a bag. So no, I'm in and out of positions within 10 minutes sometimes. But anyway, so that's something to look at. Every time we've hit this, we reject and make a basically lower high. We are reaching like the midpoint of the wedge now. Let's see where we're at. Right about there. Let's see, I'm trying to put it right on there so you guys can see it. Let me see. This is where like the significant amount of action that it's touched. So I'm expecting us to again hit here, bounce, and then see what happens. Given the market how it is, it's doing this slow bleed, but it's starting to kind of happen a little faster. But okay, so we're at this point. That's what I wanted to kind of share with you guys. We're at this point. One thing that I do when I trade, best trades that I have, is challenge my bias. So I flip the chart, the inverse scale. So if I was in the bear market and saw this, dude, I'd be buying this all day because this looks like an accumulation zone and we're ready for a real nice pump to the top side. So this is inverted. So anybody that knows these patterns is kind of like either you call it the Adam and Eve, or you can actually call this, like that cup, then a handle, and then we continue. But this is inverted, so that's not. You're going to be looking for entries basically at a lower price. So unless we break this trend line here, because right now we are making the lower lows, so I would say breaking around here would change my bias actually. So we actually can reclaim this area. A good break over like the 35.70 and then ultimately that trend line. Yeah, that's where I'm going to say we can change the direction of the downtrend and possibly make an uptrend. So just because it's downtrend here doesn't mean that the market can't turn around and actually continue to the top side. So if I go ahead and take that candle here, there's many different trend lines. Those aren't just, if you look at the Gann fan, it has a whole bunch of different trend lines. So just taking this one here, since it wicked here, not counting this because it's just super dump. So now we hit this one. So if we're actually squeezing here and start to, instead of having this trajectory like this, now you have this rounded out. So things can change quick. We're in a decision zone, I believe, but just the way the market's moving, volume sucks. Yeah, I think that we're probably going to come in here, retest here, come back down so we can get better entries actually. So that's what I got right now. Let me see if we got, if we look at the stochastic, yeah, we're already starting to roll over, cross over for more sell pressure to be coming. Going to the 6 hour, yeah, it's been coiling down here, but it looks like for more sell pressures on its way. Let's see, daily. Daily is not looking as strong as I'd like to, and that daily candle we just got yesterday or today, yesterday, whatever you want to call it, yeah, it gobbled up any green that we had yesterday. So yeah, let's see the hourly. So the hourly, we completed the W pattern. What does it follow? The M pattern. So I can see us coming here, doing one of these, and then coming back down. So just giving you guys what I see. Nothing is more. Nothing's perfect. I'm not gonna say that this has to happen, but yeah, just the way it's looking, we're grounding out, and that's not the best sign in the current market condition that we're in my opinion. So, all right, guys.